Okay, our first step for our tutorial is we're going to enter in some text. But before we do that, please make sure that you save the spreadsheet. Okay, I titled mine Module 1 Tutorial. You can either title yours Module 2 Tutorial with your name. If you want to title Olivia's Art Supply and then your name, that's fine. Whatever works for you. Make sure you save it in your R2D2 folder or your OneDrive. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to insert a worksheet title. So that usually starts with A1 here. So we're going to type Olivia's Art Supply. That's our worksheet title. Okay, and then you can either press enter or you can hit the down arrow. Salary report will be the subtitle. So we got our title and our subtitle. Now we're going to enter in some column titles. So with A3 selected, we're going to type employee. Then we're going to press the right arrow key because we're going to go to B3. Email address. C3, dependents. D3, hours. Now, this is this is something that I personally never really think about when I do this. So D3, I put in hours, but really it wants hours worked. If you can see, that's pretty much on the same line. If we want to put on multiple lines, we could wrap text if we wanted to. Or, this is what I want you to do. Go to hours, then hold down the Alt key, which is right next to the space bar, and then hold down the Alt key and press enter. What that does is it goes ahead and puts a new space underneath hours, and then type in worked. Now in cell E3, we're going to go to hourly, do the same thing, Alt enter, pay rate. Okay, in F3, we're going to do gross pay. G3, federal tax. H3, state tax. I3, tax percentage. J3, net pay. And K3, hire date. Okay, so these are our column headings. Okay, eventually we're going to be changing the column widths. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start entering the salary data. Okay, so if you see on your textbook on page 62, table 2-1 will show you what you're supposed to be typing, or you can just follow along with me. Okay, A4, Bennett Joanne. Okay, C4, how many dependents? 2. Hours worked, 64.25. Hourly pay rate, 19.25. And then we're going to go over here to hire date, 4/5/12. Okay, next line, Fred Michael. 1 dependent, 80 hours worked. Our hourly pay rate is $23.10. May 7th, 2013. All right, Emmanuel, Celine, 0 dependents, 72.50. 1865, 12/1/11. Con Teresa, 3, 60, 18, 13/14. Mont, I guess that's Mant. 2, 46, 1590. Okay. Otterman, price. Now you'll see that because of the formatting for the worksheet, you'll see that whatever I type, it'll automatically format. I think we're going to be changing that. Oh look, 2/5, that's my birthday. Hmm. 7425, 102. We're almost done here. I think this is the last line. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, so you can go ahead and pause this so you can enter in that data if you need to, and then go to the next video for the next step.